Welcome to the Superdry podcast. We're going to be focusing on some of the topics covered in the Future Engage Deliver leadership program. In our last podcast, we looked at using the GROW model for having coaching conversations. Now, the main reason I hear in most organisations for these conversations not happening is that people just don't have the time. We're too busy, we're too overloaded. So with this in mind, I gave you my tried and tested 1-minute coaching approach. Using 3 simple questions, this gets the other person to assess their own performance and to consider what they can do to improve. So the 3 questions are: number 1, how would you rate your performance out of 10? This makes the other person reflect and assess their own performance. It also helps you to understand exactly where they think they are. Question 2. So what makes it a 6, a 4, a 7? This makes them delve even deeper into what makes it so. Why only a 4? Why do you see yourself as a 9? And question 3. What can you do to make it a 10 next time? This is the key question that makes them really think about how they'll improve their performance for next time. This approach generally takes about a minute. If in 1 minute you can get someone to assess their own performance and to think about how they can improve it for next time, to me, that is a fantastic investment of time. I shared examples of when this has worked and how the more it is used, the more people start to coach themselves. I used the simple example of a store manager asking a part-time member of staff to rate the hoodies and t-shirts they were folding out of 10. After asking several times, the staff member was calling the manager over to show them exactly what a 10 looked like. Another example was a head chef who asked every time a plate left the kitchen, how would you mark that out of 10? If the score was anything less than an 8, it gave way to the obvious second question, then why are you sending it out? Simple techniques such as this can often have huge impacts and lands very differently to just telling someone your opinion. Let people find it for themselves and see how differently they respond.